This video showcases Ketchan's multi-station linear flame brazing system for aluminum tube assemblies and multi-joint components. The system performs fully automatic brazing, with each joint heated by a precisely controlled flame. You can clearly see the brazing solder melting and flowing smoothly into the joints, forming strong, clean, and consistent connections. This advanced system ensures stable temperature control, uniform heating, and high production efficiency, ideal for large-scale manufacturing in refrigeration and automotive industries. Want to learn more? Visit our website or contact us anytime. Ketchan, your reliable partner in advanced brazing solutions.